everybody. Okay, we're back in the video. We're playing Run. Oh god. I haven't done a video on this, I don't think. Well, I don't even know what this is. Dang it. Okay, come on. Let's go. Yes. Come on. Level 3, okay. So now we have these things. Now they break. Okay, so they break. Ooh. Come on. Ooh. Okay, I did it. I'm on level 5, guys. Dang it! I went right off. Oh, come on. Go, go, go. Okay. Oh, I jumped too soon. Oh, this is like kind of hard and then really fun. Oh, I did it. What's happening? I don't know what this is, but no. I'm on level 6. What's happening? Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Jump. I think I might just be able to. Oh, I did it. I don't know how many levels there are, so this might have to be in 2 parts. No idea. Go! Dang it. Go, go, go. Ooh. Yes, I did it. Oh, wait. Okay. I don't know if this is going to be hard. Ooh. Dang, I died. Go, go, go. Yes. Uh-oh. Come on. Yes. Level 9. Let's go. Come on, hurry up. Oh. Ooh. Come on. Go, 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 go. Whoa! Oh! They're all falling? Oh, I might want to save those then. If they all... I gotta go. I gotta run. Congratulations, you're the skater. I want to try it now. So I have normal guy and skater. Cool. Okay, galaxy map. What was I just on? It was fun. He goes really fast. I think this is the right mode. That we were on, guys. You know? Darn it. This is hard. Oh, I went right out of the map. You go so fast as a skater. Oh. I can't do this. Really? Yes, level 12. I am on a roll. Come on, go. Oh, no! It was so close. Dang it. Go. Go. Come on. Oh, I almost fell. Yes. Level 13. Go. Yes. Oh, this is so hard, guys. I think I might go to level 15. So one more. Because I can do 15 minutes. Dang it. Oh my god. Yes. Okay, guys. I'm going to have to stop it here. Yeah, so I'm really sorry. I'm going to have to stop it here. I will see you next time, and goodbye.